Welcome back to my channel. By now, you may have observed this is a fifth part of my series on importance of freedom. From my earlier videos, you might have already guessed that somehow, though they say they sugarcoat the fact that they are restricting our freedom with things like clean and green energy. It is said that in few years we will not have any vehicles running on fossil fuel, no pollution. They will all run on either on solar energy or hydrogen gas or whichever doesn't pollute, which is very good. Actually, that's the sugar part. Sugar coating is very good, but the that that sugar coated pill tastes very bitter in this center. When the sugar is gone, the bitterness comes out. What is the bitterness? That bitterness itself is restriction of your freedom. Everything they do when they say we are doing this for planet to save the planet, when we are want to avoid global warming, we want to create clean and green energy, we want to bring down the pollution levels. They're all sugar part. That's really there is nothing to object to that. But at the center of it all, the core concept is actually isolating people. People are being isolated, they are being kept at their in their own homes. Nobody is moving out. You get everything you need at home by sitting at home, and you will not be allowed to move out. That is restriction. You are being restricted. So this all these steps in SDG are leading to complete isolation of human beings. Now I'll tell you, in my childhood, I read the Manifesto of Communist Party by Karl Marx and Engels, and in that, they it is explained that there will be uh, places called communes, and in the communes the are owned collectively, and everyone all beings will be doing collective farming, and they will be sharing the produce equally, and there will be no names, even there will be no names also for the individuals, and they will be known by numbers. Like you see, my name is Prasad, so I'll not be called Prasad anymore. I'll be called some 99942, right? So I'm just a random example I'm giving. So somebody else may be called 999 or 66672, whatever, right? So that was the actually ultimate goal of communism, doing collective cultivation, sharing everything, all the produce, sharing equally, and it would be like going back to the barter system. So one creates a shoe, the other produces rice or wheat or whatever edible things, basically cultivation. And this guy who made a shoe will barter the shoe for rice. So the barter system basically. So that is the ultimate aim, and there will be no names also. You will be called known by a number, as a number. So why I'm saying is, why I'm telling you about this is that is a different thing than you keeping at your own home and doing nothing. You're doing not doing nothing in the sense whatever you do at home. You don't even greet your neighbor. This is entirely different. This is kind of opposite, but by and by I'm getting doubts about these numbers being implemented, people, human beings being treated as some objects. That's my main objection. If you call a person by a number, it doesn't matter because basically name, number, and whatever. It is that is not the matter. The matter, what matters is the freedom. You will be completely isolated when all these SDG goals are achieved. By hook or crook, they will achieve, I think. And when they are achieved, their ultimate goal is to completely isolate people. Uh, yeah, so that's the fifth part of my series. So thank you for watching the video. Let us meet in the sixth part.